Hello from Voltacon. Today I'm gonna present you the new 5.5 kilowatt hybrid solar inverter with a built-in battery charger at 48 volts. This is our newest model and it replaces the old 5.5 kilowatt. If our old customers remember well, it was a green inverter. So what is new? First of all, it looks completely different. We have a nice touch screen. The unit looks more modern. It can be integrated into your utility room with other appliances like your washing machine or your tumble dryer. Yes, it looks more modern. We made it safer and more suitable for home use. Looking on the power entrance, this is where we install all the cables. It looks really safe. All the terminals are fully insulated. We have the DC switch for the solar panels, the AC breaker for the AC input, and we have the DC breaker for all the MPPT chargers. At the bottom, fully insulated amphenol connectors for the battery terminals rated at 48 volts. And if we have a closer look, here we integrated the BMS card and the Modbus card for the energy meter. So you don't have to plug anything on this inverter, everything is pre-installed from the factory. The new addition is the energy meter, the Modbus version 2. It's a very useful item because when you want to create a grid connected system with backup and to have full control of the exported energy back to the grid, you need one of these meters. All the hybrid systems are required by the law to have an energy meter, an extra energy meter for controlling the power flow. I'm going to remove the front cover of the inverter to access the power and communication terminals. And we can see here the solar inputs. We have two independent MPPT chargers rated at approximately 3.5 kilowatt each. We have the COMS, the BMS for your lithium-ion battery, and the Modbus communication for your energy meter. As I said, this is a hybrid inverter and we use it in parallel with the national grid. So the grid and the inverter will inject power to your domestic loads. It is also recommended for off-grid, but 90% of our customers install this inverter in parallel with the grid. So when you have, let's say, a 6 kilowatt demand, 5 kilowatt will be supplied from the inverter, provided that you have enough energy storage, and the extra 1 kilowatt will come straight from the grid. Anytime that the energy is below 5 kilowatt and you have solar and battery the right capacity, the inverter will run comfortably all the appliances in your property. It is quite powerful machine. It can start even motors like laser printers, air conditioners, washing machines and vacuum cleaners. It has a double surcharge capacity, so if you start a load, it can go up to 10 kilowatts for approximately 5 seconds. As I said, one of the nicest features is the new LCD screen with a touchpad. We remove the buttons. We don't have buttons anymore. It's more reliable using a high quality LCD display to control all the parameters from one point. You can also get the Wi-Fi card and monitor or control the inverter remotely. Let's start the screen now. Here we are. At the moment we don't have any batteries connected. It is just a demonstration to show you how the screen works. The cooling fans from the left side of the unit, they extract the heat from the inverter. All the DC cables are fully protected, there is no access, so we fully protect the consumers and the installers. and it's very important to say that there are no exposed terminals. You can touch the unit any part and you will not be electrocuted. It's very safe for home use. As we said, this unit comes with a Wi-Fi card already integrated with the unit. All you have to do is to install the antenna and pair the inverter to your Wi-Fi module using the QR code. That way you can have access at any time. You can store information and you can send any diagnostics back to VOLTACON for further analysis. On the screen we can see on this side the incoming power supply from the mains. In the middle you will see the AC output, how much energy is withdrawn by the appliances at home. From this side we can check the PV input, PV1 and PV2, the current, the voltage and the power. This signal here shows the connection to the battery. When it starts flashing, it means that the battery is successfully paired with the inverter. And if you enter the menu, there are a lot of parameters that can be controlled directly from the screen. You don't even have to connect a computer. It's a very well made unit with a menu that is very easy to understand. So we are not going to go now through all the details. We may have to upload a new video with more details how to connect this unit to your consumer unit in your house. This unit is made for the all-in-one system that we launched earlier this year. You can stack multiple 5 kilowatt batteries under the inverter, and one stack is made from one battery, one inverter, or two batteries and one inverter. If you don't want to use the lithium-ion batteries from the all-in-one unit, by changing the parameters in menu 5, you can connect other batteries like the Pylontech US2000 or US5000. The BMS works really well even with other lithium-ion batteries. Thank you very much for watching this video. For more information, please visit our website voltaconsolar.com. There is also a blog with plenty of information in solar energy. That is voltaconsolar.com/blog. Thank you.